Hey guys, today I'm in the Hyatt Legacy, or no, not Legacy, Regency, and I'm gonna go up to the tippy top floor. Going up to the tippy top floor. Oh, I guess I'll wait. There's a ton of people going up. I guess I'll wait. There's a lot of people going up. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to go up to 30. Watch this. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Look at that. Going to the tippy top floor. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I'm gonna get out. It's the 30th floor. Look at that. Hold on to this. Look at that, going all the way down. This is amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna head back down. Now I'm gonna head back down. This is the tippy top floor. Oh, there's the elevator. Where are you? I don't know about that one. Coming. Oh, there it is. All right. Now I'm going to go down to lobby. There's exactly 30 floors here. There we go. I guess we're stopping. Huh? Yeah. Going all the way down. All the way up. There's 30 floors.
You figured out there's no 5 and 13, so there's 28 floors. But why is there no 5? I haven't figured out why there's not a big floor. What's it people coming in? Is it 7 in? No? They're going to wait with it.
There's a lot of room.
Yeah.
There's a lot of room.
Yeah.
There's a lot of room. Does your friend?
Well, we gotta go back now.
They're swimming. You're swimming?
Yeah, she's going in there. Yeah, exactly. They're like you, just love the water. This was good. Did you drink this?
No.
Well, somebody's drinking it.
Look at that. Ah!
Where the bar is.
We're on level 1, so of course. Okay, guys. Guess I'll stop here.